It is the last day of school, and Arthur and the gang are getting antsy. Emotions are bittersweet, and as the students are about to part ways, one of them decides it would be a great idea to bake some muffins to show appreciation for the class. Little do they know, even though they are on their way out of school, learning is sure to ensue.
Oh my gosh, it's the last day of school already. Can you believe it?
No, I can't. It went by so quickly. I'm gonna miss everyone.
You know, we should really do something for the class.
We could bake something.
Yeah, that's a great idea. And my dad just gave me a recipe for muffins.
Ooh, what does it say?
Look what we have here. So we need 500 milliliters of flour. We need 125 milliliters of ground flaxseed. We only need 10 milliliters of baking soda and a milliliter of salt. 4 bananas, 250 milliliters of sugar, 125 milliliters of canola oil, and 60 milliliters of concentrated juice.
Okay. And it says instructions: mix dry and wet ingredients, bake at 250 Fahrenheit. Make 16 muffins. But wait! There's more than 16 people in our class. If we're gonna make what do we do?
What are we gonna do?
What are we gonna do? Can you help us? It's our friend the Brain.
Oh, hi, Brain.
Hi guys, how's it going?
Well.
Alright. We need your help.
What do you need my help with?
We're trying to make some muffins, but I don't think we have enough.
No, it only makes 16 muffins and we need at least 32.
Yeah.
I know what we can do. You can double the recipe.
How do we do that?
I'll show you here. 500 milliliters of flour is equal to 1,000 milliliters, which is also known as 1 liter. Next, 125 milliliters of our flaxseed, nice and healthy, 250 milliliters, which is also known as 1/4 of a liter. Next, we have 10 milliliters of baking soda. Double that, that's 20 milliliters of baking soda. Next, 1 milliliter of salt. Double it, 2 milliliters of salt. Next, 4 bananas, doubled, that's 8. 250 milliliters of sugar, that's 500 milliliters of sugar, which is also half a liter. Next, 125 milliliters of canola oil is 250 milliliters or 1/4 of a liter. And lastly, 60 milliliters of concentrated juice is 120 milliliters. Do you guys get it now?
That's amazing!
It's so easy.
Okay, Brain, so I'm doing the dry ingredients. So I have 500 milliliters of flour already in the bowl. So in order to double it, I have to add another 500 milliliters of flour.
Exactly, Francine.
There we go, I did it. Now, 250 milliliters of ground flaxseed oil. This is 250
Oh, and that's not oil,
milliliters.
Francine. That's just ground flaxseed.
Oh, yeah.
You're so funny.
I mean ground flaxseed, it's not oil. Oh. And then this is the baking soda. This is 10 milliliters of baking soda. But you said we should double it, so I'm going to do it again. And I'm just going to add another 10 milliliters.
It's tricky to measure this sometimes, isn't it, Francine?
I think that's good. There we go. And
Perfect.
now there's only one more thing left. Now I need to find the 1 milliliter spoon. There it is. And I'm going to do 2 of them for the salt.
Okay.
Okay, there we go. 1, 2.
Okay, now it's my turn. I don't need
Your
the
turn.
salt, Francine.
Here, you might need this though.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, so here are my
Stir.
8 bananas. Then I'm going to add in 500 milliliters of sugar. Here it goes. Good. And then I need to add in 250 milliliters of canola oil, or 1/4 of a liter. Ooh, perfect. And lastly, my concentrated orange juice. We need 120 milliliters. So here we go. Good mixing, Francine.
Yeah, look, it looks great. These are gonna be tasty.
Okay, now we just mix them, and then we're gonna put them together to make our muffins.
Wow, I can't believe this is gonna look like muffins.
DW!
What? They're so good. Can you make some for my class? There's only 8 people.
8 people? How are we going to change the recipe now?
Can you help us?